It's Truck Month at the Basil family of dealerships. So now is the best time to drive home in a new truck or SUV.
Right now, you can save up to $19,000 off new 2019 SUVs or lease a new SUV starting at just $149 a month. That's right, just $149 a month.
Get into the new truck or SUV of your dreams today at any of our 11 Basil dealership locations.
Basil, Basil, just great deals!